Can you state your name for the camera?
Miles Hanmore.
And what are you doing?
I'm trying a fowl curry. This is about 40 times hotter than a vindaloo, according to your recipe.
I'd probably go as 50, 60 times hotter.
50, 60 times, yeah.
Hotter, yeah. So it's basically, we've got Naga pickle, green chilies, about 40 times more chili powder than a vindaloo. And it's also got dried chilies, which is known as Phuk Morris. So go for it, mate.
I can do this.
Go on. You can do it.
It's going to hit me.
Has it hit you yet?
Not quite. This is like a vindaloo. Oh, maybe I need to try a little bit more. Hasn't quite. I'm sure in a second it's just going to.
What it is, you have to have more.
Pollen.
You go for more. Go for it.
Okay, I got one of the. What are they called?
The dried chili.
Yeah, the dried chilies.
How are you feeling?
Oh, that is really hot. Oh shit, it's hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so hot. How do you get this open? Why is it not one opening?
Are you alright? It kind of caught up with you then, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Oh my god. I think that's enough. Stop filming.
Are you alright?
Oh shit. Really
Sorry, mate. I can't stop filming this. Are you alright? Is your eyes watering?
I know he's dying.
So how do you feel after having that?
No, I'm not doing that again.
You're not going to do that again?
That's worse than tequila.
Alright.